Okay, hi, I'm doing another vlog, and now I'm at Parrot Mountain in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And so basically, they have a lot of parrots, and they tie some crazy creationist stuff to it. So yeah, let's check this out. So this is the entrance area. These are African grays. Dude, look at his moves. That rapid shuffling right there. Damn. I don't know if they're mating or what. Oh, also, there's a squirrel. I believe this is mating right here.
Leave that, man.
They have scarlet macaws in here. This cat is planning a mass murder of all these parrots here. He looks cute and innocent. He's gonna kill all of them. That's a toucan. This is a parrot eating some butt. Oh, she's not into it. I don't know what this is supposed to be. That's some cool hair though. This is the secret garden. They have a bunch of different birds just kind of flying around. Like this fat one right here. Damn, he can't fly. That's sad. Look at this purple bird. What's that? I think teal? Oh, also this attraction has like a Christian creationist spin on everything. So yeah. See, this is where they have there's a bunch of parrots everywhere. Do you talk? What? I'm sorry, but these guys are like legit slaves. They just have to stand on their pedestal all day for their entire lives. It's actually sad. Look at this guy. He's going at it. Come on, dance. This one has like same color hair as Donald Trump. These birds are really soft though. I can see it in his eye. He wants to kill me. Alright. Please don't hurt me. See, you like that? Now this dude wants some food. This guy right here, you know what you want. I give it to you for those dance moves. Hi. Hi. It's hi. Can you say it again? Alright, fuck you then. You get food for your incredible hair. Unless you want it. No? Here, dance.
I want it to go up and down again.
Dance.
Also, like, go up and down again.
Fine. I'll give you a little bit. You look dead inside. Have some food. Come on, you got that amazing hairdo. Eat the food. Eat the food. Want last piece? Okay, there you go. So, there's a parrot on my shoulder right now. As you can see, he's my new friend, Javier. See, he's eating. He's got sharp claws though, like this kind of hurts. Oh shit, sorry. Just ruined this guy's dreams. Okay, there. Now, he's gonna do it again? This bastard's chewing on me. Nope, stop. I think he's done being on my shoulder. He's like, he's pissed now. I've made a new friend and he is just crawling around me. This feels very weird. Hi. This guy doesn't know whether to kill me or not. How he's seeing me. So you got a big parrot on me right now. It's my new best friend because I don't have any friends in real life. This is where I go. Yeah. Dude, this is so cool though. Just having parrots crawl around me like this.
Tennessee, she's gonna sing Rocky Top, right? Say Rocky Top! You'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Woo! Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Good job. Good job. Excellent. Alright. You want a yummy? You want a yummy? You want a yummy? No? Alright, was it cold last night? You get back off? Yeah. You got a dog? You got a rooster? Yeah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Alright, let's get that one. Alright, bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? Alright, is he funny? Is he funny? Is she funny? Yeah, they're funny, huh? Alright, give him a high five. Give him a high five. Good job. Give him a high five. Give him a high five. Good job. Alright, tell him bye. Alright, you want a yummy? Alright, good job.
Yeah, this is more bird sex right here. So, I have a bunch more birds in here. This guy wants out. He's just dry humping the cage. This is a cockatoo. They have the best bird name. Hoppy's doing it too. What was that? This is like the most depressed bird ever. Feel that. They have finches flying around in here.
Look.
So they have a whole Jesus area because, you know, God created parrots, totally. That makes sense. Yeah. And this is supposed to be a replica of Jesus' sepulcher, where he was buried when he died. Okay, so that was Parrot Mountain and Gardens in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's pretty cool, like all the parrots, you know, check out the Christianity stuff. It's pretty cool, and they let you, you know, let the parrots climb on you. So that was cool. So yeah, please subscribe. I want that YouTube money. And yeah, I will. Don't watch any more of my videos. Save yourself. Bye.